Boarding in progress.
Hey guys, once again, Mr. D of DSS Review Center. And today I will be teaching you how to solve for the percentiles of group data. Okay, so percentiles of group data is once again part of measures of position. So a short review of measures of position. These divide the data into equal parts, and these are important to determine in which group a particular score belongs. While percentiles are score points that divide the set of data or distribution into 100 equal parts. Okay, for your learning target for today, make sure that after this video, you can be able to solve the percentile of group data. Okay, so during the video under quartile of group data, I explained to you how to get this table, how to solve for the lower bound and for the cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. So it's just the same thing. It is just different values, but still the same process. Okay, so let's observe this particular problem. The table below shows the ages of 100 persons who survived from COVID-19. Your goal is to find the 25th percentile of this data. So it's good that it's already in the table. But again, when you are asked by your teacher to do the same thing and you are asked to collect the data, you have to do it this way. You should have this kind of table for you to be able to solve the problem. Unlike the ungrouped data, you can solve it right away. But in the group data, it is not possible. Okay, so let's start solving for the 25th percentile of the data above. So here, again, we do the same thing. So to get the 25th percentile, you may consider the procedure below. So we have here, use the formula Kn. Yeah. Kn over 100, supposed to be 100, to determine which row to be considered, where K equals 1 for the first percentile, 2 for the second percentile, and so on and so forth. So again, it's Kn over 100. Kindly change this to 100. Kn over 100. And then that's 25 times 100 divided by 100. You will get 25. Now, after getting 25, we know that 25, when you look at the cumulative frequency, it is between 15 and 30. If it is between 15 and 30, we box the higher value. So we box the higher value because this has important role in our formula. Okay, so now that we have make a box here and a circle in the cumulative frequency, let's see how we're going to solve for the 25th percentile. Okay, so substitute the values to the formula. P25 or the 25th percentile equals the lower bound, 25n over 100 minus the cumulative frequency, and the 25th or the frequency of the 25th percentile times I. So ano ulit yung lower bound natin based on our previous discussion? Correct. It's 20.5. Okay, how about n? Very good. It's actually 100, the total number of population or sample. How about the cumulative frequency? Correct. It's the less than cumulative frequency before the box. Okay. And then 15, the frequency is actually 15 and I is 10. Okay, so when we substitute, we will get the same values. The lower bound is 20.5. This will be 25 times 100 over 100 minus 15 over 15 times 10. So again, start here. 25 times 100, simply cancel 100. 25 minus 15 is 10 over 15 is actually 10 over 15 times 10. So 10 will be cancelled, okay? 10 will be cancelled. So that will be, sorry, that's actually 10 over 15 times 10. So 100 divided by 15. Again, use your calculator and you will get 27.17. Okay, so let's do it again. So first, 25 times 100 divided by 100 is 10. 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100 divided by 15 plus 20.5 and you will get 27.17. Therefore, the 25th percentile of the given data is 27.17. Okay, please try to check that in your calculator. You should get this value. Okay, so again, there's no learning without doing it. So for your practice exercise, find the 50th percentile and the 90th percentile of the given distribution. All right, so make sure that you do that. And for you to know the answer, ask your teacher about it. Okay, or you may send me a message if you really need the answer key for these practice exercises. Or you may type your answer in our comment box so that I will check. I will reply to your comments. All right, so once again, this is Mr. D of DSS Review Center. Marami pa tayong aaralin about grade 10 topics. Even in grade 11, you can also view some lessons in my channel. So even if you're done, this is already your 4th quarter as grade 10 students. So next year, in case you will be grade 11, you can still subscribe to watch different videos for grade 11 and grade 12. So goodbye for now and have a good day. Thank you.